everyone, we're going to use the quotient rule to differentiate f of x equals x divided by x plus c divided by x. And just remember, this can be written as c times x to the negative 1. And c is a constant, so it can be any number. So you could just write this and that's c, because that's kind of confusing when it's written that way. All right. So basically, I'm going to let my numerator be f and my denominator be g, and I'm going to use this formula. So we have, this is going to equal f prime of x equals, now you copy your denominator, which you can copy it as x plus c x to the negative 1. We can fix that later. And then you take the derivative of f, which is just 1. Minus, now you copy your numerator and take the derivative of the denominator. So if you take the derivative of that, let's look at it from this vantage point. That's going to be 1 minus cx to the negative 2, because you have to subtract 1. Remember, c is just a constant. It could be any number. All right. Now we're going to divide all of that by x plus c divided by x squared. We'll just leave that like that. Now let's clean up our numerator. So that's going to give us, that's just going to be x plus c divided by x. I'm going to move this guy back down. Minus x plus, when you multiply these two, this is like saying x times c divided by x squared. So x will go into x squared one time. So that's just going to be plus c divided by x, all divided by, let's see, x. Let's do a common denominator here. If we do the common denominator is going to be x. So this is going to be x squared plus c squared. So I just rewrote this with the common denominator as x. Now, cleaning up our numerator, our x's cancel, and we have 2 of these. So we can write this as 2c divided by x. And then that's going to be divided by x squared plus c divided by x squared. Now, I'm going to go ahead and multiply the numerator and the denominator by x squared. So I'm just multiplying it by 1. Now what that does, it helps clean this up. It gets rid of this x. So this is really x squared down here, because when you square that, so these will go away, and then you'll just have 1x here. So what we're going to end up getting, whoops, I keep doing that. So what you're going to end up getting is this equals 2cx divided by x squared plus c squared. I'm going to write this out again. So we have 2c divided by x, and then we had, basically we had x squared plus c divided by x, and this was squared. So basically I'm writing this as x squared plus c squared divided by x squared. So I'm just squaring both of these pieces, squaring the numerator and the denominator. That's why I took multiply it by x squared divided by x squared, because this equals 1. So this would cancel, and you get that. And then x squared divided by x just gives you x. And that's why we got that. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.